If you're planning an event like we are and you need some indoor accent lighting, we're going to show you how to put it in.
Today we are going to put up string lighting in our barn for my wedding, and luckily I have my dad who has been willing to do tons of projects to get our barn wedding ready.
So we're going to go ahead and install some lighting and show you how easy it is, and I hope you enjoy it. So we're using this kit that we purchased on Amazon. The link will be down below. There's a couple different ways to attach this cable. One can be with a crimp, and how that works is you bring it through, loop it back on itself, and then take a pair of pliers and you crimp this aluminum band down, and that'll give it a nice secure loop. The other way is that they included, it's a quick connect. What you do, you slip the cable in, and it ends up coming out this hole right here, and at the same time, when you pull it back, it actually secures itself. So that's another way of doing it. You just clip that onto the ring that you put into the wall. So on this one, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and release this. Just by pushing on this, the cable slips right out. This is going to be indoors. So we're just going to go ahead and once I do the loop, I'm just going to slip it through. So I'll just show you how to do that. Do that, slip it back on itself. And once the cable pulls through the other end, like this, we're going to give it a good crimp and turn it over and crimp it again. And then what I'll do is I'll screw this into the wood. This will go right on it, and we'll start attaching our lights on. The lights we have are from Amazon, and they already have a hanging clip on them, so you just take that, bring the cable right there under that, and they just hang on their own. And so we'll go ahead and string these out and show you how simple it is. Okay, what you're going to do then is take the provided bulbs and go ahead and screw them in. Now what we found, if you don't screw them in far enough, they won't light up, so you have to really seat them in until they stop. They do get a little tension on it right before it does that, but you just kind of need to give it that little last nudge. And if it doesn't light up, just go ahead and give it a little nudge once it's in the air. These we're going to install down while the cable is down low, so we can reach all of them instead of using a ladder. So we'll go ahead and stick these in.
The lights we used here slide right onto the cable. If your lights don't slide onto the cable, we have a trick where you can use hog rings to attach them to the cable. We actually have a video on that, on hanging these in our backyard, so watch that video. The link is down below. Okay, Ross has all of the lights done. Bailey's wedding is just a few weeks away, so we have it done in time. They turned out fantastic. So if you have any questions on the process and how to do the cable, comment down below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. But as always, thank you for watching DIY on the House.